Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Wechat is updated and your phone has enough battery. This prevents interruptions. Next, back up any chats you need because clearing storage removes cached media. Once done, open Wechat and tap Me, then Settings, General, and Storage. You're now at the control panel that shows total storage use and per chat breakdowns. This first actionable step gets you where individual caches and the global cache clearing controls are available, so you can proceed precisely. You should inspect the storage breakdown to see where the bulk resides: images, videos, or chat files. Then tap Manage Storage to view large files and per chat caches. This is where targeted deletions matter. Select individual files or whole chats that are safe to remove, and you select All for quick bulk cleanup. Make sure to confirm deletions when prompted because they are irreversible locally. Once you finish this phase, your storage will drop noticeably while preserving backed-up conversations. Finally, tap Clear Cache to wipe transient files. This frees space without deleting chat history. After clearing, restart Wechat so the app recalculates storage and reflects new free space. If you still need more room, remove unwanted chat histories or uninstall heavy media. Troubleshooting tip: if the app misreports space or behaves oddly, make a cloud backup, uninstall Wechat, then reinstall and restore. This resolves persistent storage inconsistencies while preserving backed-up data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.